guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to make fairy bread the real way, yeah, the right way. So what you'll be needing is obviously the sprinkles, very iconic. Get these ones, not like the other colors, cause like these ones, the OG. And then just get a slice of bread. You can get one big bread and then like slice it down with a butter knife. I usually do that, and then with this knife I use the butter for that. Okay, so just a big slice or this type of slice, a plate actually, some iconic sprinkles, these ones, and I'm actually, you can use any butter you like honestly, but we tried this new one. It's called Rama, and it's just butter. So what you're going to be first doing is with your bread slice, you will be first getting your butter knife and putting some butter and just spreading it onto the bread. So for example, you have halved your fairy bread, and then you don't know where to put the rest of the butter, rest of the bread if you don't want it. It's actually really fine. You can just put it in your bread packet, and yeah. Or if you just like, you can you can just put them together, like make a sandwich, I guess. So yeah, your butter should be looking like this. If you already have excess butter and you have another bread, you can also use the excess butter for the bread, because it's common sense, really. Okay, yeah, so this is my butter toast. Very aesthetic. Okay, now with your plate, you are going to put some sprinkles on, like this. Let me actually open it, guys, because I actually did one fairy bread and I was gonna actually film it, but then I was in my tutor and I actually ate it. So yeah. Okay. So with your after you put it in your plate, you can see a little bit of that. You're gonna take your bread, and then on the butter side, let me just show you. On this butter side, you're gonna put it on like that. Okay, right, okay. Let me kind of like turn the camera. This is not working out good. Okay, wait. I don't know if you can't see it, but like, you're just gonna like turn and the sprinkles, you can like turn it like that. Try to mix it where the sprinkles are. Okay, yeah. This is your actual fairy bread. And if you don't want, if you want more sprinkles, for example, and there's like no sprinkles, you can absolutely put more sprinkles. Like, I do not care, just this is how the way goes. I hope you like this fairy bread video. Oh yeah, one pro tip is if you have excess sprinkle, just leave it out for the next time you use a fairy bread. Just put it in the fridge, guys. And guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like your fairy bread. Very good, very tasty. Subscribe and like, and I guess we can say a surprise coming on October.